Welcome to Santorini, a Greek island shrouded in mystery and steeped in history. This enchanting destination has captivated travelers for centuries, and today, we're going to explore its secrets and breathtaking beauty. Santorini's story begins with the Minoans, a civilization that thrived here over 3,500 years ago. The Minoans were known for their advanced knowledge of architecture, engineering, and art. Some believe that Santorini was the inspiration for Plato's mythical island of Atlantis. According to legend, Atlantis was a powerful civilization that sank into the sea, taking its secrets with it. Around 1600 BCE, a massive volcanic eruption devastated the island, burying the Minoan city of Akrotiri under a thick layer of ash and pumice. This catastrophic event may have inspired the Atlantis myth. Today, archaeologists continue to uncover the secrets of Akrotiri, a city that lay hidden for millennia. As we explore the ruins, we're reminded that Santorini's mysteries are still waiting to be unraveled. Today, Santorini is a popular destination for travelers from around the world. Its picturesque villages, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage make it a truly unique and unforgettable experience. One of Santorini's most iconic sights is the breathtaking sunset of Oia. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky is painted in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a magical glow over the whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches. The view from the Oia castle is simply mesmerizing. Fira, the island's capital, is a lively town filled with charming streets, vibrant markets, and spectacular views of the caldera. Visitors can walk along the cliffside, enjoying stunning panoramic vistas, or take a cable car down to the old port. Santorini's beaches offer a unique experience, with their volcanic origins creating striking black, red, and white sand shores. Red Beach, with its dramatic crimson cliffs, is a must-visit, while Kamari Beach and Parisa Beach are perfect for relaxation by the Aegean Sea. For wine lovers, a visit to Santorini's renowned vineyards is a treat. The island's unique volcanic soil gives its wines a distinctive taste, and local wineries offer tastings of Assyrtiko, one of Greece's most celebrated white wines. Adventure seekers can hike from Fira to Oia along the scenic Caldera Trail, offering breathtaking views at every turn. A boat tour to the volcanic islands of Aegean and Paleokameni provides a chance to explore active craters and soak in natural hot springs. As we conclude our journey through Santorini's secrets and splendor, we're left with a deeper appreciation for this enchanting island. From its ancient Minoan civilization to its modern-day beauty, Santorini is a destination that has something for everyone. Whether you come for the history, the landscapes, or the unforgettable sunsets, one thing is certain: Santorini will capture your heart.